Hi ladies, happy Friday. Thanks for all of your support today for our holiday open house. We have one more day of it, so I just wanted to show you things that go with jeans today. So we are going to start off with our parsley and sage, Jess and Jane. This is in a cotton tee. We have had this in before and we have reordered it, and now we have reordered it. We didn't think we were going to get it in again, but they shipped it. So this will be a great transition if you need it. It is a cotton tee. It has kind of a little bit of a scoop neck, 3/4 sleeve, beautiful colors. It is priced at $49, and in this I have a small, 2 mediums, 2 large, and 2 extra large. Also, I have a 1X and a 2X, and they are priced at $55. This is one of our basic jeans that we continue to carry, and it is the tribal with the bling at the bottom. I did it yesterday, I guess, with black. And we had 1 pair left, but in the denim, we restocked it, and we have a few pair left. It is a mid-rise in the Audrey style by Tribal, priced at $95. I have a size 2, a size 4, 2 6s, an 8, and a 16. For all of you kitty cat lovers, I'm in that category. I never thought I would be a cat lover, but we inherited a cat from my mom. So we've always been dog lovers, but she is the sweetest thing and she loves my husband. So anybody that can love my husband and snuggle up to him, I'm all for it. This is a V-neck by Shayna. It's kind of in a fuzzy knit. It's priced at $58. I have a small, a medium, a small, and 2 mediums. Here is my fave, the jean that I have on. This is in the Ultra Denim by Slimsations. It is a higher waist. It has mock front pockets, meaning they don't wear it. They for looks only, but then it does have your back pockets. And it kind of has gold stitching. Very, very comfortable, and I love them because they are a little bit higher waisted and they are longer. So I just like something a little bit longer more in the wintertime than I do in the summertime. So they are priced at $89, and I carry these from an extra small to an extra large. That is the medium denim. This is the dark wash. They also come in the dark wash. And they come in a black denim. And the black denim has black stitching. So it's a black on black. And they are all priced at $89. Here is a Cubism top that we got in. A new line for us for this season. I showed you some of these tops before. They are beautiful prints and very nice lightweight fabrics. Some that you can just throw on. And they would be a go-to. They would become a favorite in your closet because they are very comfortable. This is priced at $85, and in this style, I have 2 mediums left. Here is another one in that same brand, that Cubism, and it is a modified V. It is in a, I guess that's a long sleeve versus a 3/4 sleeve, and it's got a great shirt tail bottom. So comfortable and so easy to wear, and this has got navy in it versus black. So it's navy, a little bit lighter blue, gray, and a beautiful natural khaki color. Priced at $85, and in this one I have a medium, a large, and an extra large. Here again, we're still in the same Cubism, and it is really cute when you get it on because it kind of has a crisscross at the neck. It is a V-neck. But with that, it makes it not be quite as low if you are a person that does not like a V-neck. Me, I love a V-neck. So this is kind of a modification of that. It's got all of your naturals going up here, and then that is navy and blues at the bottom. Priced at $85, and I have a medium, a large, 2 large, and an extra large. I also have that one in the 1X and the 2X, and they are priced at $94. The last cubism top I'm gonna show you, you know, we kept saying it looked like a sphere, it looked like a whirlwind when we have done it before. And then a sundial is what somebody told me, and I said, that's what I was thinking of, and I didn't remember. But anyway, it has that same modified V with your crisscross in the front, and this has got grays and navy and a little bit of your natural. Here again, we're at 85, and I have a medium, a large, 2 mediums, a large and an extra large, and in that one I also got a 1X and a 2X, and they are priced at $94. Then what denim would be complete without a denim jacket? So this is in a great basic that we have from French Dressing. It's a little bit longer style. I think they call it a barn jacket. So it's great for your tops that are a little bit longer if you want for it to come out over it. This is priced at $125, and I have this in a small, a medium, a large, and an extra large, and that is a restock. That is why we have
third restock.
Our third restock. Then we have to describe what we have on. So the vest that I have on is a Renoir. It is priced at $114. I have a large, which I have on, and I have an extra large. So, but what we really want to talk about is the top that I have on. I don't know if Allie can show it. Get your Mary on for Christmas. So it's exciting and it's fun, and I love it because it has bling on it. So this we have in a small to an extra large, and it is priced at $50. So we hope to see you ladies to come and finish out our holiday open house. Remember, we have store-wide 20% off, excluding Brighton and formal wear. So ladies, come on in and get your Mary on. Have a good one.